Hey folks, another very mild day across the valley. Temperatures this afternoon climbing into the 80s in most areas, and we're still there. McAllen and Rio Grande City. Everybody else in the 70s, still above our normal high, even at this time of day. 72 on the island right now. Look at our lows tonight. We're not going to cool off much. Low to mid 70s, that's about it. Temperatures in some places have already bottomed out. And then during the daytime tomorrow, we're back in the 80s again. In most places, the island cooler at 73. Wind out of the southeast about 10 to 20. Can't rule out a spotty sprinkle during the daytime tomorrow, but for the most part, it's a drier day. Breezy conditions, though. 70 is the normal high for the middle part of January. We're going to stay above that. This whole month so far has been well above normal, but that will change beginning late Saturday into Sunday as a cool front moves in and cools temperatures off for the second half of our forecast period. Here's a look at your satellite radar today. A bunch of high clouds going over the top. Underneath that, there's some low moisture as well. And on the coast, the fog has pretty much stayed away today. Visibility kind of dropped a little bit, but for the most part, a pretty day along the coast. Now, by 6 o'clock tomorrow, we're just in and out of the clouds and sun. And then as we go into Thursday, an isolated shower can't be ruled out. I don't think it's a rainy day tomorrow, but I think an isolated shower is a possibility. We go forward into Friday. I think it's less active. Can't completely rule out a brief shower, but your rain chances tomorrow about 20%. Then it tapers off on Friday. But then look at Saturday. It gets more interesting as the front approaches. Moisture pools ahead of it. A couple of showers are possible. And then when the front comes through, even a thunderstorm a possibility. It's just a slight possibility, but it's there. So look at our rain chances. Tomorrow night about 20%, Friday into Friday night about 10%, and then we ramp it up Saturday into Saturday night, 40% during the day, 60% at night, and then it tapers off a little bit as we head into early next week. Look for the front. You can see it if you watch closely. This stuff moving southward right here. That's the front pushing southward into west and central Texas. The first front's not going to get here. We show it to you on the map, and it pushes southward tomorrow and gets down to around San Antonio, maybe a little north of Houston tomorrow afternoon. Messy behind it, snow and a wintry mix in the Texas Panhandle while we're still in the 80s. We kind of squeeze that warm air down into South Texas on Friday, but then Saturday, here comes the next front, and it pushes right through late in the day Saturday. And when it comes in, cooler temperatures will build back into the region for the first time in a while, and there may be a shower, maybe a thunder shower late Saturday with the front, and then some showers linger into early Sunday behind that front. Looks like the clouds are going to stick around into the early part of next week. We won't see a whole lot of sunshine again probably until at least the middle of next week, so count on clouds and at least a few spotty showers and light drizzle around beginning on Sunday. At the coast, winds out of the southeast about 10 to 20 knots. No advisories right now. A low risk of rip currents. 3 tides, a low at 204, a high at 644, and a low at 131 tomorrow afternoon. Seas running about 2 to 4 feet. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight, 72 for a low. Watch out for fog, especially at the coast. Then tomorrow, back up to 83. About a 20% chance of a brief shower, but that's all it is a brief shower. Otherwise, it's just breezy and unseasonably warm. Unseasonably warm again Friday and Saturday, and then Saturday night into Sunday. Front comes in and temperatures drop off. Look at those highs, 60, 57, 61. By Wednesday, we're back to 70 with a fair amount of cloudiness in the area. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.